Welcome to Pure Production Flow. Today we explore the fascinating journey of turning giant watermelons into refreshing juice through industrial engineering. It all begins here in the vast agricultural fields, where thousands of ripe watermelons are carefully harvested at the peak of freshness. Skilled workers select only the best fruits, ensuring that every watermelon meets the strict quality standards required for premium juice production. Once harvested, the heavy fruits are loaded onto large transport trucks, stacked efficiently to maximize space for the trip to the factory. The transport vehicles travel quickly to the processing facility, ensuring the fruit remains fresh and does not sit in the heat too long. Upon arrival at the plant, the trucks reverse into the receiving bay, where the industrial magic of automation is about to begin. Gravity and mechanical ramps guide the heavy fruits onto the primary conveyor belt, starting a continuous flow of raw material intake. The automated system handles the heavy load effortlessly, moving thousands of pounds of fruit per hour towards the initial cleaning stations. Human inspectors perform the first quality check, manually removing any damaged or split melons to ensure only perfect fruits proceed further. The fruits plunge into a pre-soaking tank where air bubbles agitate the water, loosening stubborn dirt and field debris from the skin. This gentle agitation prepares the surface for more rigorous cleaning, ensuring that no contaminants will enter the sterile processing environment later. An inclined belt lifts the wet fruits from the soaking tank, allowing excess dirty water to drain away before the next step. High-pressure nozzles blast every inch of the surface, removing stubborn soil and ensuring the outer shell is perfectly clean and sanitary. Rotating brushes scrub the rinds vigorously, engaging in a mechanical cleaning process that leaves the fruit surface spotless and ready for peeling. From above, we can see the efficiency of the washing line, processing a continuous stream of fruit with consistent speed and precision. Powerful air knives blow across the conveyor, stripping away excess moisture so the fruits are dry before entering the peeling machinery. The result is a pristine, shiny surface. Hygiene is critical here, as any surface bacteria could contaminate the sweet juice inside. Advanced optical sensors scan each watermelon, sorting them by size to ensure they fit perfectly into the automated peeling machines ahead. Mechanical diverters separate the stream into different lanes, grouping fruits of similar dimensions to maximize the efficiency of the peeling process. The fruit arrives at the peeling station, where automated clamps secure it firmly in place, ready for the blades to engage. Precision blades rotate rapidly, shaving off the tough green rind in seconds while preserving as much of the red flesh as possible. The machine adjusts automatically to the contour of the fruit, ensuring a uniform peel and minimizing waste during this critical stage. The discarded rinds are collected separately for composting or animal feed, ensuring that the factory operates with minimal environmental waste impact. Now stripped of their armor, the bright red spheres travel along the sterile stainless steel line, looking vibrant and full of juice. A secondary inspection team checks the peeled fruits, manually trimming any remaining bits of rind to guarantee pure juice extraction. The whole peeled fruits are then fed into the chopper, where heavy-duty blades slice them in half to prepare for crushing. The cross-section reveals the high water content and ripeness of the fruit, promising a high yield of sweet, refreshing juice. Grid cutters break the large halves into smaller, manageable chunks, which will make the extraction process smoother and more efficient. These juicy chunks tumble into the massive stainless steel hopper, the staging area before they enter the heart of the extraction system. A powerful screw press mechanism takes over, slowly crushing the fruit pieces to break down the cell walls and release liquid. As pressure increases, a torrent of vibrant red juice begins to flow, separated from the fibrous pulp by precision mesh screens. The dry pulp is extruded from the end of the machine, leaving behind only the nutrient-rich liquid essence of the fruit. The raw juice collects in holding tanks. At this stage, it still contains some suspended solids and pulp that need refining. Industrial pumps transfer the liquid to the filtration unit, moving thousands of liters per hour to keep up with production demands. High-speed centrifuges spin the liquid, using physics to force heavier particles and remaining seeds to the outer edges for removal. This centrifugal force clarifies the juice, ensuring a smooth texture while retaining the natural color and flavor profile of the watermelon. Emerging from the centrifuge, the juice is now a brilliant, clear red, flowing through sight glasses for visual quality monitoring. Quality control technicians take frequent samples, measuring sugar content and acidity to ensure every batch tastes consistent and delicious. Precision instruments confirm the sweetness levels are perfect. Only juice that meets the strict flavor profile is allowed to proceed. The liquid enters the pasteurization unit, where it is rapidly heated and cooled to eliminate bacteria without cooking the juice. This flash heating process preserves the fresh taste and vitamins while ensuring the product is shelf-stable and safe for consumers. Now sterile and safe, the juice is stored in large, insulated tanks that maintain the optimal temperature prior to bottling. Meanwhile, the packaging line prepares the containers. Small plastic preforms are heated and loaded into the blow molding machinery. High-pressure air expands the heated plastic into the final bottle shape within milliseconds, creating lightweight yet durable containers. The empty bottles travel along air conveyors, suspended by their neck rings to prevent contamination from touching the conveyor surface. Before filling, every bottle is rinsed with sterile water and air-dried, guaranteeing a perfectly hygienic environment for the fresh juice. The bottles enter the rotary filler, where high-speed nozzles descend to fill each container with the exact amount of liquid. The filling process is incredibly fast yet precise, ensuring zero waste and consistent volume in every single bottle produced. Watching the red liquid fill the clear bottles is satisfying, marking the culmination of the long processing journey from the farm. Immediately after filling, the bottles are capped to seal in freshness. The capper applies precise torque to ensure a perfect seal. This airtight seal is crucial for preservation, preventing oxidation, and keeping the juice tasting fresh until it reaches the consumer. Automated cameras check the fill level of every bottle. Any unit that doesn't meet the standard is instantly pushed off the line. The warm bottles travel through a cooling tunnel, spraying cold water to bring the juice down to a stable storage temperature. Air dryers blow off external moisture, ensuring the bottles are completely dry so the labels will adhere smoothly and securely. High-speed labeling machines apply the branding. The colorful labels feature appetizing graphics that showcase the natural origin of the product. The machine wraps the label around the bottle with incredible speed, gluing it seamlessly to create a professional, shelf-ready appearance. Lasers or inkjet printers mark each bottle with a batch code and expiration date, providing traceability for safety and logistics. The production line is now a sea of red, with thousands of identical bottles moving in unison towards the packaging area. Robotic arms with suction cups grab multiple bottles at once, placing them gently but firmly into cardboard shipping cases. The boxes are sealed with tape automatically. The packaging protects the bottles during transport and makes handling easier for retailers. A final weight check ensures every box contains the correct number of bottles before it is approved for palletizing. Heavy-duty robots stack the cases onto pallets. They arrange the boxes in an interlocking pattern to ensure stability during shipping. The entire pallet is wrapped in stretch film, locking the boxes together and protecting them from dust and moisture during storage. Forklift operators move the finished pallets to the cold storage warehouse, where they await distribution to supermarkets around the world. The scale of production is breathtaking. This facility produces enough juice daily to satisfy thousands of thirsty customers everywhere. Behind the scenes, research and development teams work tirelessly to improve the process and develop new blends for future products. They study the cellular structure of the fruit to understand how to extract maximum nutrition and flavor without compromising quality. The machinery itself is a marvel of engineering, requiring constant maintenance and calibration to run at such high efficiency. Skilled maintenance teams ensure that every gear, belt, and sensor is functioning perfectly to prevent costly downtime. Between batches, automated cleaning systems flush the pipes with sanitizing solutions, ensuring the equipment remains spotless and sterile. This clean-in-place technology allows the factory to maintain hospital-grade hygiene standards without needing to disassemble the complex machinery. The factory operates around the clock during harvest season, processing the fruit as quickly as it arrives from the fields. Every drop is precious. The efficiency of this modern system ensures that food waste is minimized while maximizing output. From a bulky, heavy fruit to a convenient, portable bottle, the transformation is a testament to human ingenuity and engineering. Ultimately, this complex industrial process serves a simple purpose: bringing the fresh taste of summer to families all year round. Let's take a closer look at the mechanical sorting once more. The rhythm of the rolling fruit is almost hypnotic to watch. Soft rubber rollers are used throughout the facility to handle the fruit gently, preventing bruising that could spoil the juice flavor. Sustainability is key. The factory treats its own wastewater, ensuring that the water returned to the environment is clean and safe. Many modern facilities also utilize solar power on their rooftops to offset the energy consumed by the heavy machinery inside. Notice how the peeling blades adjust instantly to the slight variations in shape of each individual watermelon passing through. The organic waste isn't wasted. It is shredded and returned to the local farms as nutrient-rich fertilizer for the next crop. Advanced membrane filtration can also be used to adjust the pulp content, allowing the factory to produce different juice varieties. The production line is versatile, capable of switching between glass, plastic, or carton packaging, depending on market requirements. Operators control the entire flow from digital touchscreens, adjusting speeds and temperatures with the tap of a finger. Ultraviolet light is often used as an additional sterilization step for caps and bottles, providing an extra layer of safety. Heat tunnels shrink the labels to fit the bottle's curves perfectly, creating a sleek and premium look for the product. The sheer length of the conveyor system is impressive, transporting the product through hundreds of meters of processing steps. Despite the power involved, modern factories use sound dampening enclosures to protect workers' hearing and maintain a comfortable environment. Safety is paramount. Workers wear protective gear and follow strict protocols to ensure both their safety and product hygiene. Artificial intelligence cameras monitor the final product, instantly identifying and rejecting any bottle with cosmetic defects like crooked labels. Rejected bottles are not thrown away. The plastic is recycled and the juice is often diverted for other industrial uses. The visual contrast between the chaotic splashing water and the orderly mechanical movement is a signature of industrial food processing. Fine mesh screens play a vital role, catching tiny seeds or pulp particles that might have escaped the initial centrifugal separation. These massive silos can hold thousands of gallons of juice, allowing the factory to continue bottling even if the fruit intake pauses. Sometimes, a small amount of vitamin C is added to the juice to prevent oxidation and keep that vibrant red color. Large agitators gently mix the tank contents, ensuring that flavor and nutrients are perfectly distributed throughout the entire batch. Overhead piping systems transport the juice between different sections of the plant, keeping the floor clear for workers and forklifts. Pneumatic valves open and close with rhythmic precision, directing the flow of liquid exactly where it needs to go next. From a central control room, supervisors oversee the entire operation, monitoring flow rates, temperatures, and efficiency metrics in real time. The tamper-evident band on the cap is a simple but essential safety feature, guaranteeing the consumer that the bottle is unopened. Hot melt glue is sprayed onto the cardboard flaps, sealing the boxes instantly as they pass through compression rollers. Gravity chutes transport the sealed cases to the lower-level warehouse, using simple physics to save energy on transportation. Outside, a fleet of refrigerated trucks waits to receive the pallets, maintaining the cold chain from the factory to the store. Logistics is the final piece of the puzzle. Efficient loading ensures the product reaches markets while it is still fresh. As the trucks depart, the cycle completes. The fresh watermelons that arrived this morning are now bottled juice heading to consumers. Let's appreciate the power of the extraction press again. It exerts tons of pressure to maximize the yield from every fruit. The result is a cascading waterfall of juice. It is a mesmerizing sight that highlights the abundance of nature's resources. Stainless steel is the material of choice here because it is durable, easy to clean, and does not react with acidic fruit juices. In the settling tanks, any trapped air bubbles are allowed to rise to the surface and dissipate, ensuring a smooth liquid consistency. Internal LED lighting allows operators to visually inspect the product inside the tanks without opening them and risking contamination. Precision dosing pumps ensure that the flow rate matches the speed of the bottling line perfectly, preventing backups or shortages. Before labeling, the clear bottles showcase the vibrant natural color of the juice, which is the best marketing tool of all. Color sensors ensure consistency. If a batch is too pale or too dark, it is flagged for quality review immediately. Even in a fully automated plant, human oversight is essential for tasks like reloading label rolls and monitoring material supplies. Advanced machines feature automatic splicing, allowing them to switch to a new roll of labels without stopping the high-speed production line. The glue application is a marvel of precision, applying microscopic dots of adhesive exactly where needed to hold the package together. The conveyor layout is designed with smooth curves to prevent bottles from tipping over as they travel at high speeds. Food-grade lubricants keep the conveyor chains moving smoothly, reducing friction and noise while ensuring the bottles remain stable. Seeing the product from every angle confirms its quality. There is no sediment, just pure, refreshing watermelon nectar ready to drink. For retail efficiency, bottles are often grouped into multi-packs. Diverters arrange them into 4, 6, or 12-pack configurations automatically. A shrink wrap machine bundles the bottles together. Heat shrinks the plastic film, creating a sturdy handle pack for easy carrying. Passing through the heat tunnel, the loose plastic film tightens instantly, securing the heavy bottles together into a single sales unit. These multi-packs are then loaded into master cartons. The robotic precision ensures that no space is wasted inside the shipping box. Barcodes are printed on every case, allowing automated warehouse systems to track inventory levels and shipping destinations accurately. In the most advanced factories, automated guided vehicles replace forklifts, silently moving pallets to the warehouse using laser navigation. These robots follow magnetic or visual paths on the floor, working safely alongside humans to transport heavy loads effortlessly. Their omnidirectional wheels allow them to maneuver in tight spaces, optimizing the storage density within the warehouse facility. The automated storage and retrieval system takes over, lifting the pallets to dizzying heights in the dark, temperature-controlled warehouse. This vertical storage maximizes footprint efficiency. Thousands of tons of product can be stored here without requiring a massive land area. Digital inventory systems track every single bottle. Managers know exactly how much product is ready to ship at any given second. Quality assurance doesn't end at bottling. Samples are incubated and tested for days to ensure absolute stability before release. Only after passing these rigorous final biological tests is the batch digitally released for shipment to retailers and consumers. Watermelon is not just a fruit. It is a symbol of hydration and summer joy, now captured perfectly in a bottle. Served over ice, the juice retains the authentic flavor of the fresh fruit, thanks to the gentle processing methods we witnessed. From the sunny fields to the high-tech factory floor, we have seen the incredible journey required to create this simple beverage. It is a blend of agriculture and automation, nature and technology, working in harmony to deliver quality nutrition to the world. Behind the machines are the dedicated people farmers, engineers, and operators who make this seamless production flow possible every day. As the sun sets, the factory continues to hum. The demand for healthy, natural beverages drives this 24-hour cycle of productivity. Night shift logistics teams take over, ensuring that supermarkets are restocked before they open their doors the next morning. Seen from above at night, the facility is a beacon of industry, a complex organism that never sleeps during the harvest season. Inside, the rhythm remains constant. The conveyor belts keep rolling, the presses keep squeezing, and the bottles keep filling up. Building a trusted brand requires this level of consistency. Consumers expect the same great taste every time they open a bottle. Whether it is a small single-serve bottle or a large family pack, the quality inside remains exactly the same high standard. The goal is to bridge the gap between the farm and the table, making natural nutrition accessible and convenient for everyone. There is nothing quite like the refreshing taste of cold watermelon juice, especially knowing the care that went into making it. It brings smiles to faces young and old. That is the ultimate reward for all the hard work and engineering involved. As we conclude our tour, take a moment to appreciate the seamless integration of every machine, robot, and process we witnessed. Industrial processing is an art form in itself, transforming raw chaos into ordered perfection through science, engineering, and precise timing. We hope you enjoyed this satisfying look at watermelon juice production. It has been a pleasure guiding you through this facility. Thank you for watching this incredible journey on pure production flow. Don't forget to subscribe for more satisfying industrial engineering insights.